All right, what I'm holding in my hand is the pickup wheel for the crank position sensor, which fires the coils and the injectors. The reason why I pulled this off, well, actually I didn't pull it off, Adrian pulled it off, and he had a fun time doing it, actually he didn't, is because when the car starts making power, this actually rips from the wheel, and then if this is spinning, it's not picking up any time, the car shuts off, nothing to go. So what we're gonna do is, Adrian removed it because I wasn't gonna tackle that shit. And I'm gonna now weld it, and he's gonna reassemble it. So if you wanna come over here, you have to basically tear down the whole front of the motor like you're doing a timing belt job to do it. Water pump is good, so we're not gonna touch the water pump. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of thing. But we are going to service it with a new timing belt, do all the pulleys, oil everything up inside here so it's nice and good, and then reassemble it. That's gonna be Adrian's job. That's Adrian over there. He's a Superman. All right, I got the piece set up to weld. Adrian's gonna show me where to weld it so that it doesn't spin and I don't damage the wheel or the pickup. So right here. Okay, that's one.
Next one, right here.
Okay. Okay. So basically 90 degrees out. All right, here we go. Now that we got it welded, we're going to grind the surface down so it's flat again, so when we put it on, there's no problem with it mating back in the original position. All right, it's hot. Whew. Don't handle hot metal. All right, so that's good enough, Adrian?
Perfect.
All right, so now we're gonna reassemble it, or Adrian's gonna reassemble it, while I go mess around with something else.
See, it's too dark and you like a light, don't it?